Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole and I am Budget Birdie. And on this channel, I make budgeting and planning videos. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, then feel free to grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's jump right in. So thank you so much for being with me here today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my budget for my first paycheck in October. That's October. So let's just get started. So if you're new to my channel, I just do a very simple zero-based budget, and as always, I'm starting with my income. For me, my income is always the exact same every single paycheck. So that is $1,397. And for my tithe, which is 10% of my income, that is $140. You know, for me, myself, and I personally just like to round everything up in my budget to the nearest dollar. I don't use cents, so you'll notice that. That's just me, you do you. So for my fixed expenses, the first one is my cell phone bill, which is $120. And as always, we're not going to talk about why it's that high. For my car insurance, that is $362. And my internet bill is $114. Disney Plus, which I've been watching The Proud Family like no other, is $14. And I've already calculated the totals for all of my categories. And the total for our fixed expenses is $610. Now for variable expenses, our first category is groceries, and I was going to write it 2, but I budget, let's make that into a 1. Can I make it into a 1? Yeah. So $100. And then for personal care, I'm budgeting $20. For family, I'm budgeting $50. And that's just like my contribution to the household because I do live at home. And for gas, I'm budgeting $50 as well. For fun money, or others call this spending money, I'm budgeting $40. For miscellaneous, I am budgeting $20. And for my cushion, I'm also budgeting $20. And the total for variable expenses is going to be $300. Okay, let's move on to sinking funds. So first one is Amazon Prime, and that's going to be just $4. Car maintenance, $50. CAA is getting $5. Winter tires are getting $50. Let's see what's next. Christmas is getting $50. Vacation is getting $25. And my new coat, which I should be purchasing at the end of this month, is getting $50. It is getting colder, so if you have any recommendations for a good quality, relatively inexpensive jacket, and by relatively inexpensive, I mean like under $200. I don't know. Is that inexpensive or is that regular? Let me know. All I know is I'm not Drake and I can't be running around the place in a $600 Canada Goose jacket. So if you have any jacket recommendations, please let me know. Let's see. That total is going to be $234 for sinking funds. And then for retirement, finally, is getting $50. As always. And then our total for all of the categories is going to be $1,334. So as you can see, like you can already tell there's not going to be much left over because there's not a big difference between our income and our total. But that's just because most of my fixed expenses are due, or most of my fixed expenses fall within this first pay period. So our remainder is scrawny $63. But what's nice is that, this always happens. Like my first pay period, I barely have anything left over because that's where all of my fixed expenses are. And then my second pay period, I just have like 2 subscriptions. So it always ends up that I have like way more left over to put toward my debt in my second budget for the month, but my first budget for the month always has like hardly anything left. So anyway, that's it for my budget for this month. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great October. It's pie season. I wish I liked pie. Something about me is I really don't like cooked fruits. So I hope you're enjoying your pie. If you're a pie eater, you know, I'll be eating something else. But yeah, I hope to talk to you soon. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.